How to change Netflix subtitle font on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can go ahead and then change your Netflix subtitle font on your mobile. Just learning to change the font, not the color. If you want to change the color, you can watch our other video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you wanted to change the color of subtitles, you could do it from the application. But since we're learning to change the font of our subtitles, not necessarily the colors, it's not possible to do it from the Netflix app on our mobile. So we just have to open up our browser, and once we open up browser, in the search box you want to go to netflix.com, and once you log into netflix.com, you will see this kind of interface. Basically, you just have to tap on the three horizontal lines which is located at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three horizontal lines icon, go to the option called account, as you could see over there. And once you go to account, scroll down to the bottom under the profile section. Here, select the profile on which you want to change the subtitle font. As you do so, you'll find the option called Subtitle Appearance. Just tap on the change button right next to the Subtitle Appearance, and as soon as you've done that, over here you can see the option called Font. Currently it is set to block, so if I want to change the font, you have print, you have console, you can see the changes taking place over here. To preview them, you can go to small caps and just tap on the save button at the bottom. If you're not happy with it and you want to reset it to your default appearance, then you can just select it up again and go to the option called Subtitle Appearance, and over here as well you just want to select the option called Reset to Default to change all of the values to default. And that's all it takes to change your subtitle font on mobile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.